10th standard. Let us continue with our lesson number 17. We were discussing about topic of unemployment, right? 9 videos are done, so this will be my 10th video related to lesson number 17, in which we'll be discussing about efforts to reduce unemployment. See, जिस तरह से पॉवर्टी को खत्म करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट is taking so many steps, had taken so many steps. In the same way, to reduce unemployment also government had taken so many steps. Okay, so all those steps we are going to study here in detail. Okay, it's on page number 141. Please, if you have textbook. Okay, problems of unemployment is the weakest link of our planning. Poverty and unemployment are the two sides of the same coin. Both are interrelated. Main reason for poverty is unemployment. See, गरीबी तभी आती है जब इंसान कमा ना सके. So poverty and unemployment both are two sides of same coin. Okay. Then this challenging problem has mainly affected educated youth. पढ़े लिखे लोगों को बहुत इफेक्ट किया है इस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ने. As a result, they lost attitude of interest towards studies. काम नहीं मिलता, इसकी वजह से they are not at all interested in studies. Then negative effect on social and mental condition is seen. See, if educated people are not able to get work, so in society as well, and even in mentally health also it become very upset. They become disappointed psychologically. If they remain unemployed for long time, they get involved in antisocial and immoral activities. For example, drug trafficking, then illegal activities, robberies, recovering ransom, etc. Okay, so ransom, that is sum of money demanded or paid, right? Okay, now that is बोले ना हफ्ता वसूल करना, right? तो वो सम मनी थोड़ा वसूल करना, that is ransom. Okay, so now here see, अगर पढ़े लिखे लोगों ज़्यादातर if they remain unemployed ना, they become very upset and then they have full chance to go on wrong way, क्योंकि पैसा कमाना is main thing. अब अगर पढ़े लिखों को काम नहीं मिल रहा according to their qualification, so they take wrong way to earn money. Okay, increase in social and economic inequality is there. Class discrimination begins. Falling in living standard when price rise joins unemployment, condition of the poor and unemployed becomes more narrowing and pathetic. See, price rise joins unemployment. एक तो बेरोजगारी लोग, मतलब एक तो कमाई नहीं है, और ऊपर से अगर प्रोडक्ट्स के प्राइस राइज हो जाए, सो वो तो मतलब और लोगों को पुअर करता है. ओके, पीपल बिकम मोर पुअर इन दिस वे, राइट? देन he turns toward narcotic drugs and other addictions. So tension में people directly go towards alcohol or start consuming certain drugs to get relief for a while. टेंशन से थोड़ा रिलैक्स होने के लिए, बट ये नहीं पता उस वक्त चलता कि वो कुछ समय का रिलैक्सेशन है, बट आफ्टर दैट इट हार्म्स इनसाइड अवर बॉडी बैडली. और हमारी उम्र, हमारी जो एज है वो भी कम हो जाती है इफ़ वी गो विद अल्कोहल और वी गो विद टेकिंग ड्रग्स एंड ऑल. सो वन शुड नॉट कंज्यूम दिस. Thus, unemployment has proved to be deadly for individual, family as well as economy. पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के लिए तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट खराब है ही. अब वो नहीं कमाएगा तो फैमिली का गेन नहीं होगा, तो फैमिली भी अफेक्ट होगी. फैमिली भी इफेक्ट होगी, मतलब इकोनॉमी भी इफेक्ट होगी अगर इनकम ना हो तो. ओके, नाउ We have studied about plans of government to remove unemployment while studying about poverty alleviation programs. Let's recall them. Other than these, may effective steps have been taken by the government, which are as follows. See, poverty के टॉपिक में हमने जो government is taking steps to eradicate poverty, that is alleviation programs. वही alleviation programs are related to unemployment. Okay, क्योंकि लोगों को अगर BPL that is below poverty line से उठाना है, उनका लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड रेज करना है, that means one should get employment opportunity. तो लोगों के लिए काम करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी बढ़ानी होगी. So those things, those points are only related here. But there are some other points related which government has introduced that we will go through it now. By aiming high goal economic development of 10% per year, which is acceptable to all, increasing capital investment and opportunities of employment, new fields should be opened for fast and balanced economic development, along with development of agriculture sector, small and household industries, cottage industries, etc. In order to increase employment, government has started giving economic help. Education opened training centers through different schemes. So government ने लोगों को काम देने के लिए काफ़ी steps लिए हैं. See, अगर लोगों को काम मिलेगा, लोगों को सैलरी मिलेगी, then people will able to pay tax, and when people will able to pay tax, then only government can work, economic of India will improve. Understood? क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स अंडरटेक करता है, तो गवर्नमेंट को भी मनी चाहिए. उसके लिए they have to collect taxes. Now collection of taxes, it depends upon how much people are working and earning. Understood? Then the next point is government should lay stress on development of units using labor intensive method for production of consumer goods, small and cottage industries, Gramodaya, then handloom and handicraft skill. For it, encouraging policies should be implemented in the schemes. See, government should encourage work activity in which hands are required. Okay, so like handloom हो गया, या villages में काम, like villages में अगर कोई इंडस्ट्री शुरू करेगा, वो बिगिनिंग में बिग मशीनरी सेटअप नहीं कर पाएगा, तो ऑब्वियसली that person need more labor work. ओके, तो लेबर वर्क जितना ज़्यादा होगा मतलब उतने लोगों को काम मिलेगा, राइट. देन more number of people may be employed in rural areas by less investment, by developing new method at the rural level in which more than one crop may be taken from the field in order to remove unemployment during the time when farmers are not engaged in agriculture. See, when farmers are not engaged in agriculture, say like suppose मैंने मेरे फार्म में जो भी मतलब सो करना था I had done. Okay, now for next 6 months, say like suppose I had done with rice. Okay, so next 6 months my field will be occupied in that. But at the same time, if my neighbors or if my villagers want help to grow some another crop in their field, I can go and work there. ओके, अगर मैं काम करूँगा मेरी भी इनकम होगी, उनका भी काम हो जाएगा, राइट. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटीज शुड बी क्रिएटेड इन रूरल एरियाज स्पेशली. ओके, देन फर्दर इट इज टू ब्रिंग न्यू लैंड अंडर कल्टिवेशन. To bring new land under cultivation, arranging water and electricity for every field, small and big irrigation schemes, dam, check dam, ponds, canals, tube wells, activities of construction of roads, activities related to agriculture, poultry, fishery, cattle rearing, dairy industry, programs of afforestation, etc. सी ये सब रूरल एरियाज की एक्टिविटीज है. विलेजेस में ये सारी एक्टिविटीज करवा सकते हैं. रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है तो गांव के लोगों में से कई लोगों को रोड कंस्ट्रक्शन में डेली वेजेस पे रख सकते हैं. At the same time, if for irrigation one have to set pipelines towards field, उसके लिए भी हम विलेजेस के लोगों को ही अपॉइंट कर सकते हैं, राइट. सो उससे क्या होगा, गांव के लोगों को गांव में ही काम करने का मौका मिलेगा और अर्न करने का मौका मिलेगा, राइट. देन नेक्स्ट इज फॉर दिस प्लानिंग शुड बी एम्प्लॉयमेंट ओरिएंटेड. प्लानिंग जो है वो एकदम एम्प्लॉयमेंट ओरिएंटेड होनी चाहिए. मतलब मेन मोटिव ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ विलेज मतलब पीपल शुड गेट गुड, people should get more earning and income. Okay, then later the working and their village, etc. Sorry. Okay, the working in their own village only. So people should have income so that they can work in their own village and get income, right? Actually she was my little daughter. She becomes little naughty sometimes. Sorry for that, disturbed our link, right? Okay, let's continue. Okay, so migration towards cities may be reduced and pressure on demand of employment may be decreased. See, that is the same points repeated जो हमने पहले पढ़े थे, right? कि अगर गांव में ही वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटी इंक्रीज कर दिया जाएगा तो लोगों को शहर आने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. पीपल विल नॉट हैव टू कम टू अर्बन एरियाज इन सर्च ऑफ वर्क, राइट. एनकरेजिंग प्लांटेशन, एग्रीकल्चर, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग, ड्राई फार्मिंग एंड मल्टी क्रॉपिंग, ग्रोइंग वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स. Importance should be given to improvement of quality of education in village. See, education के बारे में भी हमने वो last point पढ़े थे. That depends like if up till primary section is set up in village itself, then secondary and higher secondary must be set up in one such place where 4-5 village students can go and study there. Then there might be near only some training centers and higher education institute must get open so that students should not go far from their hometown, right. So education facility also should improve in that way. In order to sustain human development in rural areas, health, education, pure drinking water, nutritious food, electricity, road, banking, insurance, internet, improvement in communication and entertainment, water harvesting activities, constructing permanent public property, development of local industries and encouraging them. Adopting employment oriented programs should be undertaken. Qualitative life of rural people as well as result oriented improvement has been the main objectives. So the main object should be like rural area का complete development. Okay, so rural areas में construction of public property we can take bus stops etc. Okay, public property कोई हॉल है या फिर बस स्टॉप है गांव में, उसको परमानेंट बनाने के लिए उसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क करेंगे तो लोगों को कंस्ट्रक्शन करने के लिए हायर करना पड़ेगा. सो पीपल कैन हैव वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटी इन देयर एरिया ओनली, राइट. So many things, so many activities can be undertaken so that rural people should earn their income. Okay, then fifth point is related to, in order to decrease education unemployment and unemployment among youth, skills should be developed and employment should be provided as per the qualification. Such type of business oriented or technical education policy should be adopted which produce skilled artisans. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इट इज लाइक, जिस फील्ड में एजुकेशन दिया गया है, क्वालिफिकेशन से, लाइक सपोज now we know in which field we have to go, accordingly we have to select our line for studies, right? क्योंकि अगर हम accordingly line select करेंगे then it will be helpful for us to get a job easily, right? So schools में भी कई ऐसी activities होती हैं. Our next line is that only, curriculums of school. Curriculums we can tell activities of schools and colleges should be such that it satisfy the requirement of local industries. Say like suppose such activities, even campus interview taken in colleges and all, so that colleges में जहाँ पर study कर रहे हैं वहीं पर कंपनी वाले आकर स्टूडेंट्स की इंटरव्यू लेते हैं और उनको अपॉइंट करते हैं कि आफ्टर यू फिनिश योर स्टडीज यू कैन ज्वाइन आवर कंपनी. ओके, सो एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी वहां पर भी स्टूडेंट्स ग्रैब कर सकते हैं, राइट? देन such type of efforts should be made by providing education and training to the youth. Special skills may be developed in them. Quality improves along with production. Employment increases, increase in income and improvement in living standard. They should be given assurance that they keep on getting employment. See, educated लोगों को अगर employment मिलती रहे तो obviously they will be very good point for development in economy, right? And they will raise their standard of living, जिससे हमें villages की development भी दिखेगी और standard of living of people, lifestyle भी improve होता observe होगा, right? 6th point, Labour Minister of Indian government and state government have implemented ambition programs like Make in India, Skill India and Digital India to enhance knowledge, understanding, enthusiasm and work capacity of youth along with industries development. For this, educational and training programs have been started to develop skill. Technical colleges and universities have been set up nationwide. So what it is, like government का main focus है to produce more and more product in the national level, that is made in India और digital India, skill India etc. उसमें क्या होगा कि इंडियन एजुकेटेड लोगों को अपना स्किल, अपना कैपेसिटी दिखाने का चांस मिलेगा. ओके, students will get chance to show their capability to in front of whole world if they go on with these Skill India and Made in India and all, right? Then they should provide education facilities as per as vocational curriculums and modern technologies. Here they are talking about certain universities जो students को theoretical language के साथ साथ practically भी स्टूडेंट्स को ट्रेनिंग एंड किस हिसाब से उनको काम करना है, अकॉर्डिंग विच मेथड दे हैव टू वर्क फॉर देयर अर्निंग बेस, एवरीथिंग शुड बी ट्रेन्ड देयर. ओके, देन एफर्ट्स आर बीइंग मेड टू फुलफिल रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट थ्रू नियर करिकुलम्स इन स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस, वोकेशनल्स एंड टेक्निकल एजुकेशन. सो एजुकेशन टाइम से ही स्टूडेंट्स को मेंटली इस तरह से प्रिपेयर किया जाए कि दे शुड बिकम कॉन्फिडेंट एंड दे शुड हैव क्लियर मोटिव व्हाट काइंड ऑफ जॉब एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग दे हैव टू अंडरटेक. ओके, एट प्रेजेंट हायर इंस्टीट्यूशंस लाइक IIT and IIM are being established in most of the state of our country. So that is to create what type of inspiration, what type of to create eagerness to work. Students के लिए काफ़ी training and vocational courses, training centers, schools, curriculum activities, बहुत कुछ undertake किया गया है by government. Okay. 7th point is, okay, we'll do one thing. and stop here for this video. Okay, I will continue in my 11th video and I will try to finish up a lesson by 11th video. Okay everyone, please go through this whole lesson. See, it is lengthy lesson, again I am repeating, but it is quite easy lesson. Please don't become worried by seeing length of lesson. Okay everyone, thank you and keep on studying.